Welcome to Auto Experience, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking for the latest updates in the automotive world, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the much anticipated 2025 BMW i3, a car that's set to make waves in the electric vehicle market. From its futuristic design to cutting-edge features, we'll explore everything you need to know about this game-changing car. The 2025 BMW i3 represents a new era in electric mobility. BMW has been a pioneer in the electric vehicle space for some time now, and with the i3, they've once again raised the bar for what an electric car can be. The 2025 model brings with it exciting upgrades, from a sleeker exterior to an even more advanced interior. It's a combination of luxury, performance, and sustainability all packed into a compact and stylish package. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 BMW i3 continues the trend of being a futuristic and unique car. With a more streamlined and aerodynamic body, the i3 looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's built to be efficient and stylish, with sharp lines and a distinct, modern silhouette. The exterior dimensions have been optimized to offer a more refined look, making the i3 not only a car that performs well but one that also catches the eye. The addition of new paint options like frozen white and Portimao blue further enhances its premium appeal. The design is not just about looks, it's also about making the car more efficient, with features designed to improve aerodynamics and overall range. Inside, the 2025 i3 is just as impressive. BMW has taken great care to use high-quality materials that not only add to the luxurious feel of the car but also focus on sustainability. The interior is spacious for a compact car, with ample room for both driver and passengers. One of the standout features of the i3's cabin is its innovative use of recycled and eco-friendly materials. From the upholstery to the dashboard, everything in the i3 feels modern, sustainable, and thoughtfully designed. The futuristic design elements blend seamlessly with BMW's signature high-tech offerings, creating a cabin that feels both high-end and forward-thinking. In terms of technology, the 2025 BMW i3 is packed with the latest features. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, with a large touchscreen display and advanced connectivity options. The iDrive system, which has been a hallmark of BMW vehicles, is present here too, offering smooth navigation and seamless integration with your smartphone. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily connect your devices and access your favorite apps and services on the go. The system also includes a premium sound system, ensuring that every drive is an enjoyable experience. But it's not just about entertainment. The 2025 i3 also comes with a host of safety features. BMW has equipped the i3 with the latest driver assistance technologies to ensure you stay safe on the road. Features such as lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring come standard, making the i3 one of the safest cars in its class. These features work together to provide a driving experience that is not only fun but also secure. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW i3 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor, the i3 offers instant torque and a smooth, quiet ride. The acceleration is impressive for an electric vehicle of its size, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. BMW has made sure that the i3 doesn't just perform well on paper but also on the road. The car is agile and nimble, making it perfect for city driving and tight corners. The ride is smooth and comfortable, thanks to an upgraded suspension system that ensures you can enjoy every mile. Battery range is always a crucial factor when it comes to electric vehicles, and the 2025 BMW i3 doesn't disappoint. With an improved battery pack, the i3 offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the variant. This is a significant improvement over previous models, allowing drivers to travel longer distances without worrying about running out of power. Plus, with BMW's fast charging technology, you can recharge the battery to 80% in just under 30 minutes, making long road trips more feasible. Charging the BMW i3 has never been easier. The car is compatible with both home charging stations and public fast chargers, offering flexibility for users. BMW has also integrated advanced energy management systems that optimize charging and ensure the battery lasts longer, providing peace of mind for the long term. One of the biggest selling points of the 2025 BMW i3 is its eco-friendly nature. As an electric vehicle, the i3 produces zero emissions, making it a great choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The materials used in the car's construction are also sustainably sourced, and BMW continues to focus on making the i3 as environmentally friendly as possible. From the advanced battery technology to the recyclable materials used in the interior, the 2025 BMW i3 is a prime example of how luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. Pricing for the 2025 i3 is competitive, considering the level of technology and performance it offers. While it may not be the cheapest electric vehicle on the market, it certainly offers a great value for those looking for a premium, eco-friendly car. The price range starts at around $50,000, with higher trims offering more advanced features and a longer range. So, should you consider the 2025 BMW i3? If you're looking for a luxury electric vehicle that offers a combination of performance, style, and sustainability, then absolutely. The i3 is a standout in its class, offering everything from advanced technology to impressive performance and range. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a car that's easy to park and drive, or someone who values cutting-edge features and eco-friendliness, the i3 ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 BMW i3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Experience for more in-depth reviews, car news, and updates on the latest models. If you want to stay up to date with everything happening in the automotive world, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We'll be bringing you more exciting content soon. See you next time on Auto Experience.